Theo Adati isn't just a DGS student athlete. Theo's childhood isn't like your ordinary Downers Grove kid. Theo was born in Ghana, South Africa, then moving to London later on with his aunt, and finally moving with his mother to America, where he is now making a name for himself. Lord Theo, as he likes to call himself, is an ambitious DGS track member, extraordinary artist, and low-key rap god. He also has his own brand, Lord Theo, which is a very big deal to him because it sums up his beliefs, morals, and motivation. Theo will always visit family in London until moving there himself with his family. He also has family living across the world.
Okay. This is me trying to freestyle, so pardon me if that doesn't sound so good. Alright, here we go. Okay. Listen. Alright. Made it to the top. Made you feel like you got shook. I don't wanna talk about the way I flew high. Made you feel like you were down. Oh no, why? Don't wanna talk about the way you messed up. Everybody wanna know how I get up. After a fall, that's not easy to get up. I made you feel easy. What you wanted to say, kinda messed up. Listen, don't even come away. I made you feel like you was back in the wing. Don't wanna pull you back to the ring. Made you feel like you was fake. Unless you wanna play. I made you feel like you was okay. Don't wanna go so fast, say speed kills. I don't wanna talk about my own key kills.
Where did you live before moving to America?
So originally I was born in Ghana. My mom's American, so she came back after I was like 2. I lived with my dad until about 14. Then I went to London to live with my auntie for a short while before I moved to the United States. That was like 3 years ago. So yeah.
And where is Ghana?
Ghana is in West Africa.
How was life different in Ghana?
There's no winter, there's no spring, there's no fall, it's all summer, 24/7, all day long, every year. So it's pretty fun. But the only thing is that the sun gets really hot, and yeah, it's time.
How was life different in London?
London is kind of weird in the sense that it's kind of like America, but like it's kind of weird, like an island with weird stuff and weird people.
How is it weird?
Well, first of all, they're kind of strict, but like not strict. Depends on where you live and where you like go about. And the language, the educational reform, everything is just slightly different, but it's alright.
What has been some struggles you faced since moving?
The way I speak. I have a blend of American, British, and Ghanaian accents, and so they kick in differently at any time, and it's kind of funny how people like respond to that sometimes and like, alright, whatever.
And where do you like living better?
I don't know. I like to live everywhere and anywhere. Whatever place I find pleasing to myself, I will live there. So.
Where's like your dream place to live?
Brazil.
Why
South
Brazil?
America. Because it's exotic, it's cool, it's like it has the beach, it's lively and all that, so I love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
No problem.
What do you do in your free time besides running?
I like to draw, sing, rap, do a lot of weird stuff that we find uncomfortable, like say awkward stuff. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
How does art help you?
It's one way I try to express myself through without having to talk and have some sort of deeper time for myself. Some sort of deeper time for myself, you know, essentially that deep self-time. That's me.
What's your favorite medium?
It's painting, but mostly drawing because I like to draw.
What do you like to draw?
I like to draw stale objects like shoes, people's hands. It's like not creepy, but like some people have really cute fingers. It's not creepy, but yeah.
Why did you date a girl who's artsy?
Well, you know, trying to make kids artsy too. No, I'm joking. Anyway, I don't know. I find it really cute, and yeah, it happened to happen. So.
Who is your girlfriend?
Ivy Rose Bukowski.
he heard it from me first.
That's cute.
Enthusiastic about everything that we do in class. He's always excited and interested, and that's something that teachers don't always see in students, and something that we love to see.
How would you describe Theo?
Theo is a very determined young man. He works so hard at everything. He definitely sees a bright future for himself, and he's definitely carving it out for himself. So I see great things for him too.
What's the funniest thing Theo has done in class?
Theo has done many funny things, so it's kind of hard to pin down one, but something that made the other kids laugh. I have this little alarm, sort of. It's like what you have at hotels when there's nobody there and you hit it and it dings. And he just decided to take it upon himself to keep hitting this thing all the time. Yeah, so it was kind of annoying to many people, but it was also pretty funny.
What kind of student would you describe Theo as?
Again, I would say probably very determined and enthusiastic, always trying to do better, trying to improve, and just to always do his best, I would say.
What, if any, struggles does Theo have that you have seen in class?
In class in particular, he might, really want to do the assignment, and then other people just want to hang out or play on their phones. And so that's the only struggle I would say, is that a lot of people around him don't necessarily share his drive to succeed, especially in senior English, where everybody just tries to kind of get along. Yeah.
What kind of future do you see for Theo?
Obviously very bright. I talked to him recently about how he decided not to pursue sports, but to go more into the academic route. And I think that's definitely a great decision for him. While I don't know, exactly what he's gonna end up doing, I know he's gonna do really, really well, be successful in everything, because he's so determined and works so hard.
All right. Thank you. That's all of our questions.
My junior year of high school.
What is one word to describe Theo?
Theo, I would say he's a funny guy.
I've met a lot of people. I've had a lot of influences from friends, coaches, some of my mates, and it's got me feeling much better, aside from classwork and stuff like that.
Okay, what impact has he had on the team?
He's definitely helped us in meets with his skill in long jump.
All right. Is there anything else you would like to add?
No.
Thank you.
Alright. Oh, you already started? Oh, cool. Alright. Listen, it's kind of too hard when you want to mess around. I make you feel like you were falling on the ground. Listen, unless you want to play, I make you feel like you were tripping. Unless you want to reminisce, I make you feel like you just made it to the top. Alright, hold up. Everybody want to pipe it up, I'll make you slow down. Unless you want to reminisce, I make you feel like you just chilled. But you want to say I'll make you feel like you was killed. Alright, listen, I just want to be frail. I just mess around, I make you feel like you go so chill. Unless you want to play around, I make you feel like you kill. Unless you want to pipe it up, I'll make you feel like you smooth. Now what you want to say, I'll make you feel like a boob. Unless you want to mess around, I'll make you feel like a school. Teach you real good, I'll make you feel like you bull. Unless you want to play, I'll make you feel like you was in school. And listen, I don't even want to talk about the way I made it here. Everybody want to come away, I make it clear. Unless you want to be my team, I'ma make you fearless. Nobody want to care about how I